What up, though? This is Kevin Melson with Beyond Your Limits, and today I'll be bringing you 5 unguardable moves. They're 5 simple moves that anybody can do, even if you're a beginner starting off. They are very simple moves, but they're also extremely effective moves. These are moves that if you put these in your game, you'll most certainly be unguardable. And also, I'll be giving you some counters to these moves to even make you even more unguardable. So if you put these in your bag, when you pull them out in the game, you'll be dominating the game. All right, these are 5 very simple moves. So without any further ado, let's get to these moves. The first move that we have is the hesitation blow by move. And on this play, you're just dribbling the ball up the court. You take a quick pause, a hesitation with the ball, and this also causes the defense to pause and hesitate, and they have to guess your next move because there's a lot of things you can do off your hesitation. But for right now, we're talking about the hesitation blow by. So you're coming up the court, you pause, the defense pauses, and then you get a quick burst of speed and try to go right past them, going the same direction that you were already going in. Now that you've hit your defender with the hesitation blow by a couple of times, now it's time to pull out the hesitation pull up jump shot. So once you come down and you take that quick pause, the defense has to anticipate what you're going to do, what your next move is, and so this gives you time to pull up for your jump shot. If the defense is anticipating you to drive, then their weight will be back and you can get an easy pull up jump shot without them being able to get a good contest on your shot. Counter for the hesitation move is the hesitation crossover. You've hit the defender with the hesitation blow by and the hesitation pull up jump shot, and now you can just do your hesitation and go in the opposite direction. So this will really keep your defender guessing as to what your next move will be after your hesitation. So those are 3 moves that you can go to after you hit your defender with the hesitation. So once you hesitate with the ball, then the defense has to stop to gauge what your next move will be, and those are 3 effective moves that you can do right there off the hesitation. The next unguardable move is also a very simple move, and it's also one of my favorites. It's the jab step. With the jab step, you can gauge your defender. Is he ready to jump to that side if you're planning on penetrating? If he steps back on your jab, then that gives you room to pull up for your jump shot. So right now we're just concentrating on the jab jump shot, and this is one of my favorites. Just jab. If that defender backs up and gives you room, that's room for you to pull up and shoot that jumper. A counter move for the jab jump shot is the jab go opposite. If you take a jab step and the defense leans their weight to one side, you can go the opposite way. You also want to make sure that you jab and your first step is with the same foot because you don't want to travel. And also, you want to make sure that you put the ball down before your back foot comes off the ground because that's also a travel. So you jab, the defense goes one way to beat you to the spot, and you just go the opposite way. This is a very simple move, and yet once again, it is very effective. unguardable move that we have is the reverse pivot. This is a move that I really like to do a lot in the game. If your defender is playing up on you tight, this is extremely effective for over-aggressive defenders that want to crowd your space. You catch the ball, reverse pivot, and go at the same time. It's very easy to get past a defender with this move. Once again, a very simple move. You want to make sure that you put the basketball down on the ground before you pick up that back foot, because you can be called for traveling with this move if you don't put the ball down fast enough. All right. Move that we have, the fifth unguardable move, is an in and out dribble. This is a very simple dribble. You're just faking like you're doing a crossover, but you're bringing the ball back to the same side. Once you do your in and out dribble, you want to make sure that you fake with the ball, your foot, with your feet, and your eyes. You want to fake the defender like you're coming for a crossover, and then just bringing the ball back to the same side. It's a very simple move, and it's very effective in games to get past your defender. Thanks for watching. I hope you got a lot of value out of that. Those 5 unguardable moves. Hope you take them, put them in your bag, become unstoppable out there on the basketball court. If you got any value out of this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you haven't already. All right, I'm so glad for you guys being here. Also, down in the description, I have 3 tips that will make you a better scorer, a more efficient scorer. These same 3 tips, they took me from averaging 19 points a game to all the way up to 29 points a game once I implemented these 3 tips into my game. Just hit the link in the description, give me your email address, and I'll send those right over to you. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll have more videos coming either later this week or next week. All right, thanks. Talk to you guys later.